Good morning. The session of Sangguniang Bayan is now called to order. May I request everybody stand for our invocation and followed by Bigas and Magandi.
Manalangin tayo. Panginoong Diyos, itinataas namin ang iyong pangalan. Pinapupurihan at pinasasalamatan ka namin sa lahat ng iyong mga ginawa at pagpapala. Salamat sa panibagong araw na ipinagkaloob mo sa amin. At sa oras na ito na kami ay muling narito. Gabayanin niyo po kami sa aming mga gawain. Bigyan mo po kami ng talino at lakas upang magampanan po namin ang aming mga tungkulin. Buksan mo po ang aming isip at puso sa mga bagong kaalaman na aming matututunan.
Madam Secretary, will have a quorum.
With the roll of the honorable members of the 11th Sangguniang Bayan, the Honorables Hermaine, Chua, Jorda, Gatongay Jr., Sahibol, Timison, Gatman, Ong, Galang, Reyes, and our temporary presiding officer, Honorable Rosani K. Bernardo. There are 11 members in attendance.
We will have a quorum to transact official business. Proceed to letter A, reading and consideration draft minutes of the previous session.
For your consideration and approval, minutes of the 92nd regular session of the 11th Sangguniang Bayan of Sobrano Española held on November 4, 2024 at the session hall of the Sangguniang Bayan, Sobrano Española, Palawan. This was attended by the majority of the Sangguniang Bayan members. The temporary presiding officer elected, Honorable Arsani K. Bernardo, called the session to order at 9:41 in the morning. The secretary called the roll after the prayer and the singing of the national anthem. With the attendance of the majority of the members of the Sangguniang Bayan, the temporary presiding officer declared the presence of a quorum to transact official business. Then the minutes of the previous session were presented by the chair to the body for consideration and approval. Before the approval, Councilor Michael Altorda queried if the heads of two offices requested to appear before the Sangguniang were invited. A recess, the temporary presiding officer declared 3-minute recess at 9:51 in the morning to allow the secretary.
Any comment, amendment regarding the previous minutes of the regular session? None? Can we move? Any councilor? Councilor Hermaine?
I move that the minutes of the 20th regular session of the Sangguniang Bayan sa Española, Palawan held on November 4, 2024 session of the Sangguniang Bayan sa Española, Palawan be adopted.
Has been moved and seconded. The minutes of the 92nd regular session of 11th Sangguniang Bayan of Sobrano Española held on November 4, 2024 at the Sangguniang Bayan Session Hall, Sobrano Española be approved. Minutes of the special session.
For your consideration and approval, minutes of the 19th special session of the 11th Sangguniang Bayan of Sobrano Española held on November 7, 2024 at the session hall of the Sangguniang Bayan, Sobrano Española, Palawan. This particular session was attended by the majority of the Sangguniang Bayan members. The temporary presiding officer elected, Honorable Joday Hermaine.
Any comment regarding the minutes of the special session? None? Can we move? Councilor Gatongay?
Again, good trading. I note the minutes of the 19th special session of the 11th Sangguniang Bayan of Sobrano Española held on November 7, 2024 at the session hall of the Sangguniang Bayan Sobrano Española be adopted.
As we move on seconded, the minutes of 19th special session of 11th Sangguniang Bayan of Sopron Espanyol held on November 7, 2024 at Decision Hall of Sangguniang Bayan Sopron Espanyol ng Palawan be approved for adoption. Good morning, we acknowledge the present of our PNP. Sir, ma'am, good morning po. Welcome po sa Sangguniang. Letter A, privilege and question hour. 1 minute recess. The session resume.
Thank you very much, Mr. Presiding. Mas bitter po sana, Mr. Presiding. Pagdating po ng ating mga nyo sa Lunes na ba? Ito pang Lunes or Martes. Mag-conduct na lang po tayo ng meeting together with all Sangguniang Bayan, our secretariat, and mga concerned office, gaya na po ng accountant, treasury, budget, and other hidden office na rin po sa ating mga. Para one task po tayo, lahat po din natin itanong. Kasi pagdating po dito, nagkakaroon lang po tayo ng hindi magandang ba dahil hindi po napag-aadaan po natin yung mga suggestion ko lang po yan, Mr. President, nga na sana after pagdating po ni Mayor, mag-meeting na lang po tayo lahat para lahat po tayo kasama po yung mga idol office na importante. Thank you very much.
Okay. Yun kasi, nung pag-usapan natin dito sa session yun, privilege ang question ni Councilor Jorda. Kaya natin na-invite si accountant na dito natin siya tatanungin. Kung ganun yung preso ng body, kasi yun, si accountant under ng chief executive, si Mayor ang magpatawag, invite tayo kung invite tayo. Pero pag dito, tayong magtatanong dun sa privilege and question hour, the Sangguniang will question to the accountant. Councilor Tingson, privilege and question hour.
Good morning sa lahat. Kaya naman darating si Mayor, tanong lang.
Martis daw, sabi ni Councilor Gatungay.
Ang purpose kasi doon na tinatawag natin sa accountant, una, paalis tayo ng Lunes, di ba? PCL natin ng Lunes. So, dito sa Lunes, wala tayong session. Di ba? Kasi may kami na tayo Lunes. Ang ina, 18 by 18. Ate, PCL pala yung ano. Ang ina, kasi doon, yung ating cash advance, na sana, malakad pa. Kaya gusto natin matanong si accountant kung yung ating CA makakasado sa natin o malakad. Yun ang gusto natin. Kaya pinatawag si accountant, yung gusto natin tanongin. Diba? Kasi kung next week pa, baka wala na tayong time, baka hindi mahabol. Kaya yun sanang mas malinaw na makausap natin siya. Kung ano bang maging kaidatan ng ating cash advance. Wala, para makapunta tayo.
Diyan ba si accountant? Diyan si accountant, diyan. Councilor, diyan ba si accountant?
Okay,
Councilor
thank you po, Mr. Presiding. Mayroon kasi tayong pending suggestion na si Secretary ang i-authorize natin. Actually, by the authority of the Sangguniang Bayan, Secretary talaga ang mag-a-act. So, sa akin, Mr. Presiding, pabor po ako doon kasi in aid of legislation po eh. Hindi, kasi pagkasama po yung executive, mayroon naman po silang meeting, tinatawag po natin na executive committee. So sa atin naman in aid of registration, dapat i-authorize po talaga natin. Kasi by authority of the Sangguniang Bayan naman, yan po ang function ng Secretary of the Sangguniang Bayan. So pabor po ako doon, Mr. Presiding, doon sa suggestion. Salamat po.
Councilor Gatungay.
That is my only suggestion po, Mr. President. If ever na ayaw man ng body, wala pong problema. That's only my suggestion po. Kasi doon po natin, mas better po nandun po tayong lahat eh. Kasama po yung mga idol office. Kasama po si Mia. Pag may pakatanungan po tayo yung iba, masagot din po ng maganda. Diba po? Mas better po na lahat po tayo nagkakausap. Hindi doon po sa social media. Yun po ang pinaka-better na suggestion na dito po.
Yun na lang siguro kasi nakaraan kasi nag-privilege si Councilor Jordan na invite si wala nga nag-sign ito. Authorize na natin si by the authority of the Sangguniang Bayan, the Secretary will sign to invite our accountant. Any privilege and question now? Councilor Farmain?
Hindi pa natin siya, no? Hindi pa natin
Na
napagputuhan, di ba?
no need to vote.
I-authorize natin o hindi.
No need to vote
Kasi tinatanong niyo po, Mr. Presiding, excuse me po, tinatanong niyo po kung papayagan po natin si Secretary Olivier. Ang sa akin naman, Mr. Presiding, narinig naman din natin ang problema natin ay yung 23 million na hindi po nakabayad o hindi po natin nasingil, kaya po tayo nag-cross-cut. Yan po ang pinaka-issue natin nakaraan, kaya gusto po natin malaman. Kaya Mr. Presiding, ang sa akin lang, siguro tama yung kay Councilor Gatungay, sir, para makasagot din yung ating treasurer, budget, o kaya si accountant, o si mayor, para doon. Kasi kung patawag natin bisigan natin at tapos ipopost natin sa social media, problema na naman po. Parang lumalabas kasi na ang bayan po natin, sa Frontier Española, ay magulo. Kaya pwede naman pong pag-usapan na lang dito in aid of legislation o kaya kung ano po yung pwede nating solusyon para po doon na pwede antay na lang po natin si Mayor para masagot din bago natin ipatawag.
Okay, noted yung issue kasi natin dito, yung kuan ni Councilor Jordan na invite yung accountant para makakas-advance tayo sa ating PCL. Yung mga cross-cutting mga media, wala po tayong pinag-usapan dito. Doon lang po step po tayo sa point na invite siya for our cash advance. Doon lang po tayo. Medyo yung social media, hindi po, medyo malayo na po yan kung mayroong mga issue dyan. Dito lang po tayo sa sanggunian, head of legislation na invite si accountant for our cash advance sa ating year-end PCL.
Ano po bang issue sa cash advance? Hindi po ba nakaka-cash advance naman tayo?
Kaya nga natin, hindi ko na siguro, kasi yan, hindi nga ka nakakasabay, kaya nga na-issue yan, kasi okay si Councilor Jordan na lang. You recognize.
So, ang issue po na to ay sa akin po talaga galing. Kasi nga po natandaan niyo yung PCL board meeting nakaraan na may cash advance ako na hindi ko nakuha na may pondo pa naman ako sa travel. Yun po lang yung issue ko po dito na. Kaya gusto ko po talagang pabot ko na ipatawag sa accountant or si budget, bakit yun ang nangyayari. Kasi po yung sa akin doon, ang concern ko, baka pagdating ng PCL natin, ganoon pa rin. May mga pondo tayo tapos hindi tayo makaka advance. So ngayon parang sana, maayos para pagdating naman ang ano natin, wala po kung ano man yung ibang issue nila. Yung sa akin po kasi doon, yung sa cash advance ko lang po na may pondo, bakit hindi ko nakuha? Yun lang po yung sa akin doon. Kaya yun ang pinupunto ko lang po doon, Mr. President.
Yun na, thank you. Yun na yung toros natin si Secretary to sign. Okay na? Any preference ang question now? None? Proceed to first reading and proposed mission and communication. Number 1.
Forwarded Resolution Number 25, Series of 2024 of Barangay Pulot Interior, a resolution respectfully recommending to the Sangguniang Bayan the following sitios: Pinagusaran, Singkap, Pagsambato, Pangatban, Pasig, Maribong, as part of the territorial jurisdiction of Barangay Pulot Interior, Sofronio Española, Palawan, and to alter the boundary at the western side of Barangay Punac, Sofronio Española, Palawan, and at the northwestern of Barangay Pulot Interior for the purpose, for appropriate review.
Refer to Committee on Rules.
To refer to the Committee on Rules.
Number 2.
Forwarded Ordinance Number 3, Series of 2024 of Barangay Pulot Interior, Ordinance imposing tax on sand, gravel, and other quarry resources in the Barangay Pulot Interior, Sofronio Española, Palawan, for appropriate review.
Refer to Committee on Ways and Means.
To Committee on Ways and Means.
Number 3.
Forwarded Resolution Number 32, Series of 2024 of Barangay Pulot Interior, a resolution approving and adopting the Annual Investment Plan, AIP of Barangay Pulot Interior, Sofronio Española, Palawan, for calendar year 2025 for appropriate review.
Refer to Committee on Finance.
To Committee on Finance.
Number 4.
Communication from Ms. Lilibeth V. Lapangan, Barangay Secretary of Barangay Punang, forwarding the copy of Barangay Budget 2025 for appropriate review.
Refer to Committee on Finance.
to Committee on Finance.
Number 5.
Proposed ordinance declaring Puting Bato Cave Complex in Barangay Panitian as an ecotourism destination of this municipality, regulating activities therein and appropriating funds for its protection, maintenance, improvement, and promotion, authored and introduced by Councilors Arsani K. Bernardo, Arnold A. Galan, Jonathan T. Chuba, and Justado A. Dizon.
But to Committee on Tourism.
To Committee on Tourism.
Its committee report. Number 1.
Good morning, Father. Committee report number 2024-65, submitted by Committee on Ways and Means and Games and Amusement, subject approval of the requested creation of positions under the Office of the Municipal Engineering Office. For the presiding officer, the Committee on Ways and Means and Games and Amusements referred to consider the above cited measure had already done the same. Those would like to report its finding and recommendation based on the premises hereunder reflected. Number 1, that the local chief executive communicated a request to create the following positions in the Office of the Municipal Engineering. Number 1 mechanical, 2 salary grade 6. Number 2, 1 bookbinder 3 salary grade 7, and 2 engineer 2 salary grade 16. Number 2, that the creation of subject position are essential for ensuring the effective delivery of public services in infrastructure development in Sopronio, Española. Number 3, that the growth and complexity of municipal projects necessitate skilled personnel who can manage, design, and implement engineering solutions effectively. Number 4, that the funding for subjects positions shall be made available through the available fund FY 2025 of the same office. Findings and recommendation. In consideration of the foregoing, the committee opines that the creation of above cited positions is needed since positions are essential to effective and efficient operation of the office cited. Therefore, the committee recommends to pass the ordinance creating the position of 1 mechanical, 2 salary grade 6, and 1 bookbinder 3 salary grade 7, and 2 engineer 2 salary grade 16 under the Office of the Municipal Engineering, to be calendar for second reading on the next regular session, prepared by yours truly, Chairman, Committee on Ways and Means and Games and Amusements. Concurred, Honorable Jonathan J. Ong, Co-Chairman, Honorable Fred A. Lutongay Jr., and Honorable Juan I. Harmain, members.
Any comment, amendment regarding the committee report? None, can we move?
I move Committee Report number 2024-65, submitted by Committee on Ways and Means and Games and Amusements, subject approval of the requested creation of the positions under the Office of the Municipal Engineering Office be adopted.
Committee report number 2024-65, submitted by Committee on Ways and Means and Game and Amusement be adopted. Next committee report.
Committee report number 2024-56, submitted by Committee on Rules, Laws of Government and Privileges. Subject, request for approval and adoption of camp coordination and camp management plan of the municipality. For the presiding officer, the committee to which the above-cited measure was referred to had already considered the same, and would like to present its finding and recommendation to the following justification to it. Number 1, that the local chief executive provided a request for approval and adoption of camp coordination and management plan of the municipality. Number 2, that the plan is duly approved by the Municipal Disaster Risk Reduction and Management Council through resolution number 2024-06, a resolution approving the camp coordination and camp management plan of the municipality of Sopronio, Española, approved during the third quarter meeting held on August 9, 2024. Number 3, that in adherence to the joint memorandum circular numbers 02 series of 2021, the camp coordination and camp management plan were crafted to set forth guidelines on camp coordination and camp management and in identify areas of coordination, collaboration, and cooperation among stakeholders to ensure the delivery of essential services
of internally displaced persons to respondents of Manuel Española. That this will ensure smooth facilitation and management of camps in case of calamities or disaster and will improve handling capabilities of the LGU. Findings and recommendation, the foregoing consider the committee finds that the requested approval and adoption of the camp coordination and camp management plan of the municipality of Cipanyo Española are essential in institutionalizing an organized delivery of social services to internally displaced persons in times of adverse or calamity, among others. Therefore, the committee recommends to approve and adopt subject plans to calendar for second reading of the text. Regular session. Prepared by usually Chairman, Committee of Finance, Budget Management, and Appropriation. Honorable Pinagatume Jr., Co-Chairman ng Manila Pisay Board Member, Honorable Michael Jotla, Member.
Any comment, amendments regarding the committee report? None? Tumulong mo?
Alam ng Committee Report number -56. Submitted by Committee on Rules, Laws, and Government Privileges, be adopted.
Committee report number 2024-56 submitted by Committee on Rules, Laws, Government and Privileges hereby adopted. Letter I, calendar of business. Letter A, unfinished business. From previous understood, none. From previous session, none. Business for the day, second reading, number 1. Councilor Hamay.
Again, Mr. Presiding. And our resolution number -2024-282 approving the Barangay Ordinance number 2 series of 2024 Barangay Labog. Ordinance ang naguutos magtalaga ng mga alintunin sa pagtitinda ng anong dagat sa nasasakupan ng barangay, sponsored by yours truly whereas the Barangay Ordinance number 2 series of 2024 Barangay Labog has been presented to its office body for review and approval. Whereas the subject Barangay Ordinance was referred to Committee on Rules, Laws, and Government for consideration, and after thorough review, it was found that all the proceeds were met and enactment was found to be in accordance with the provisions of the Government Code rules clearly prescribed powers and enacting body. Whereas the Council in view of the foregoing affirms that the ordinance is valid and in accordance with the law. Now therefore, Council gives me to this can be by Councilor Black PA resolved as number so to approve the Barangay Ordinance Series 2024 of the Barangay Labog. Ordinance ang nag-utos magtalaga ng mga alituntunin sa pagtitinda ng anyayamang dagat sa nasasakupan ng barangay. Resolve final this copies of this resolution be forwarded to all concerned for information and personal consultation.
Any comment, Councilor Galan?
Okay, thank you po Mr. Presiding. Ordinance po ito ng barangay. Ano po ba, kasi wala po tayong kopya ng mga ordinansa ng barangay. Kasi ni-review po yan dito sa atin. So, ito, endorsement lamang po ito. Pero hindi po natin alam kung ano po ba yung sinasabing alituntunin ng barangay para ipatupad po nila ito. So, dapat na-review po natin yan. Lalo na higit yung mga penalty. Yun po, Mr. President. Wala kasi tayong kopya ng barangay ordinance. Thank you po.
Councilor Harmain?
Yung kopya po.
Actually, ito kasi nasa committee report, ito rin nga tinitingnan ko, hindi na ba natin nilalagay yung buod ng ordinance ng Labog? Tapos, bago natin i-ano, kung mayroon man tayong amend doon, makikita ng tao kung may question doon na yung buo talaga na ano ng Labog na inano natin siya.
Ano po yan silang
So
pinasabi?
may penalty, may perso. Doon nga sa committee report, meron yun. Dapat sana dito sa business board, nilagay natin siya para makita yung buong ordinance ng Barangay Labog. In a comment regarding the draft ordinance of Barangay Labog. Councilor Galan, follow-up question.
Tama po yan, Mr. Presiding. Kasi ang i-approve po natin dito, yung content ng kanilang ordinansa, hindi po yung title eh. So, dapat ma-review po talaga natin doon kung wala po ba talagang violation. So, yun lang din ang puntos ko, Mr. Presiding, dapat naka-attach po yan talaga dito. Hindi lang nga ngayon, dapat nung committee report pa lang, naayos na po natin ito. Thank you po, Mr. President. Hindi po tayo tutog sa ordinansa. Makita lang po natin kung ano po ba yung mga alituntunin ng barangay na dapat ipatupad sa kanilang mga nagsasabi. Thank you po, Mr. President. Sino ba? Ako po.
Councilor Gatungay.
Thank you very much, Mr. President. Actually, parang mayroon may nabasa ako. Na-receive niyo po, ma'am. Sorry. Na-receive niyo po yung ordinance po nila. Yung,
1 minute recess. Okay, resume. Any comment? Feeling the Councilor Galang.
Yes, thank you very much, Mr. President. Yun nga po rin ako kasi marami ng mga case na gano'n na walang alam yung ini-member of the Sanggunian. Ang meron lang yung committee and the member. Kasi katulad po nito, yung the President was referred to the Committee on Rules, Laws, and Good Government and Privileges for consideration and after through review. How true ba talaga it was found that all requisites were made, but we have no how. Para, kasi mamaya baka mayroong sumubra doon sa ordinansa ng munisipyo, iba sa ordinansa ng barangay is not exceeding to the ordinance of municipality. So siguro mas maganda rin sana kung before we implement, magkaroon din kami ng kopya for review and reference ng Thank you very much.
Kasi sa kung natandaan yung nakaraang committee report, andun na siya, nakalagay. Kung natandaan yung nag-comment pa nga, yung ano yun, yung 1,000 tapos 15 days, tapos biglang andun naman yung sa committee report, tapos dito sa second reading na siya, in-approve na natin. Siguro sa tingin ko, opinion ko kung anong suggestion natin, kung may mali sila, doon sa second reading, doon tayo magsusulat na sa kanila. Sa committee report, andun naman siya, kung natandaan nyo, yung buod ng ordinance ng Labog. Yung buod niya sa committee report, andun naman sa second reading, kung merong tayong gustong baguhin, sa tingin ko, yun ang isusulat natin bago padala sa kanila. No need na rin siguro na ilagay natin siya kasi ordinance natin nila yun. May penalty, may sa second reading, yun ang pananaw ko ewan lang sa body ko.
At saka na i-report na natin ito.
Okay na, any comment? Okay na, Councilor Galan, sa ko na, parang absent yata si Councilor Galan nung nakarang
Wala bang absent siya. Kaya absent po ako doon. Kaya ako, kung ano po yung comment natin doon, hindi kasi tayo ang pwede magbago So, ang magbabago yung barangay, tapos ito-forward po ulit dito sa atin. So, kung may comment, nakikita din po natin na may comment kayo, so, napadalhan ba yung barangay? So, yun lang po tanong. Hindi po tayo tutol. Gusto ko lang naman maayos talaga. Sige po, Mr. President.
Okay, thank you. Parang wala namang comment yung sa isa lang yata, yung 500 nung third, anong barangay ba yun? Yun lang yung comment natin, kamali lang yun. Yun lang yung kwan natin. Wala yung
Mas mataas yung second offense kaysa sa third.
Okay, any comment? Sabi mo, Councilor Main?
Hindi na sila bigyan. Bigyan na. Okay. Thank you, Mr. Presiding. Draft Resolution number 2024-82, approving the Barangay Ordinance Series number 2, Series of 2024, Barangay Labog. Ordinansang nag-uutos magtatalaga ng mga alidungtunin sa pagtitinda ng anumang yamang dagat sa nasasakupan ng barangay be adopted.
Sabi mo po yung seconded. Draft Ordinance approving the Barangay Ordinance number 2, Series of 2024, Barangay Labog. Ordinansang nag-uutos magtatalaga ng alituntunin sa pagtitinda ng anumang yamang dagat sa nasakupan ng barangay. I-approve on second reading and be calendar for third and final reading on this particular session. Number 2, Councilor Main.
Sa hindi po ito, Mr. Presiding, wastong pag-aalaga naman ng guwapo ito. Draft Resolution number 2024-283, approving the Barangay Ordinance number 6, Series of 2024, Barangay Labog.
ordinansang nagsasaad ng patakaran para sa wastong pag-aalaga ng baboy. Whereas the Barangay Ordinance Number 6, Series of 2024 Barangay Lapuga has been presented in this August body for review and approval, whereas subject Barangay Ordinance was referred to Committee on Rules, Laws, and Government Privileges for consideration after thorough review was found all requisites were met and enactment was found to be in accordance with the provision of local government code, those within the registered power of enacting body. Whereas the council in review of the foregoing affirms that the ordinance is valid and in accordance with the law. Now therefore, upon motion of Councilor Blanc, be duly seconded by Councilor Blanc be it, resolved by this hereby resolved to approve the Barangay Ordinance Number 6, Series of 2024, Barangay Labog, ordinansang nagsasaad ng patakaran para sa wastong pag-aalaga ng baboy. Resolved further that the barangay shall be reminded to adhere to the provision of Municipal Ordinance Number 2020-1188, otherwise known as an ordinance regulating the operation of piggery and poultry farms in the municipality of Sotronio, Española. Resolved by the copies of this resolution be forwarded to all concerned for their information reference and appropriate action.
Any comment, amendment regarding the ordinance? None? We move.
Draft resolution number -2024-283, an ordinance approving the Barangay Ordinance Series Advance or Ordinance Number 6 Series of 2024 o Barangay Labog, ordinance ang magsasaad ng patakaran para sa wastong pag-aalaga ng baboy. Move for adoption.
It's been moved and seconded. Draft resolution number 2024-282 approving the Barangay Ordinance number 2 series of 2024 Barangay Labog, ordinansang nag-uutos magtatalaga ng mga alituntunin sa pagtitinda ng kapag alaga ng baboy, pag-aalaga ng baboy, second reading and the calendar for third and final reading on this particular session.
Thank you, Mr. President.
Third and final reading. Approving the Barangay Ordinance number 2, Series of 2024 o Barangay Labog, ordinansang nag-utos nagtalaga ng alituntunin sa pagtitinda ng anumang yamang dagat na nasukupan ng barangay. Wala na comment. Is approved for third and final reading. Approving the Barangay Ordinance number 6, Series of 2024, Barangay Labog, ordinansang nagsasaad ng patakaran para sa wastong pag-alaga ng baboy. Any comment? None? Draft Ordinance approving Barangay Ordinansa number 6, Series of 2024, o Barangay Labog, ordinansa nagsasaad ng patakaran sa wastong pag-alaga ng baboy, approved for third and final reading. Anasan business? None? Announcement and reminders? Diyan mo siya, accountant. Kaya lang, kaya naman nag-invite natin siya ngayon. Baka kaya na rin siguro process sunod, no? Okay. Pictures na Committee on Finance, kaya accountant. Any announcement and reminders? Hindi na natin invite kung puntahan mo. Invite lang natin. Puntahan mo lang. Any announcement and reminders? None? Letter K? Adjournment? Councilor Galan?
Mr. President, I move to adjourn our regular session.
As we move on seconded, decision adjourned.